Hello, my name is Lori Palmquist, and I'm an irrigation wonk. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the Smart Irrigation Scheduler for the Sacramento region. I'll walk you through the tool, giving brief explanations of its features and functionality. You'll see these little information eyes scattered throughout the tool. These will take you to the information page where you'll find a wealth of information, answers to your questions, and much more. To begin the process, choose the city, zip code, and watering day restrictions of the property where this irrigation system resides. I'm going to choose Elk Grove. The zip code is 95624. If you need help with the zip code, just click the Help link. Elk Grove is currently limited to 2 days per week watering, so I'll choose 2. Now I'll click the Go button. Now it's time to enter in all of the bits of information about this zone that will go into creating the weekly schedule. The city, zip, and watering days allowed per week are shown above. This is the front lawn, and it's zone number 1. I'll go ahead and choose Cool Season Turf. It's in full sun. There tends to be a good amount of wind there, so I'll say moderate wind. There's no slope, and the soil is clay loam. The lawn is currently watered with fixed spray sprinklers. Now that I've chosen all of the zone data, my job is done. The program gets to do the rest of the work. When I'm sure I've gotten everything entered correctly, I click the Go button at the bottom of the page. Now the program is going to go out and retrieve the weather data for the past 7 days and crunch the numbers for me. Since it's going out to another web service to get the weather data, it could take up to 15 seconds to work its magic. Sometimes it's just a few moments. And sometimes the web service is down. But not to worry. If it is down, there will still be a fallback schedule created for you. I'll go ahead and click Go now and show you that part in just a bit. This is the Confirm Zone page. This is where the program shows you all of the data that you entered in for this zone. If anything doesn't look quite right, now is a good time to go back and make any changes you need to make. Everything looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click the Go button. So here is my current schedule for this zone based on the weather from the past week. I can see that the total minutes per week is 60 minutes. I have 2 days per week to do the watering. With 3 cycles or start times, that gives me a run time of 10 minutes for each cycle. If I click this link that says See Schedule, it will show me the schedule for this zone for every month of the year based on historical weather data for my site. If the weather data service goes down, this is the fallback schedule I told you about earlier. This schedule will always be here for you. This is the final destination of this scheduling tool. I'll note the minutes per cycle, the cycles per day, and the days per week for this zone. Now I can go back to the zone setup page and enter in the data for my next zone, and so on. We trust this scheduling tool will serve you well. Happy irrigating!